Welcome back to the channel for part 10 of the Flowing with Life series on diet and lifestyle. Chapter 3, The Rivers of Life Diet. Part C, Foods to Avoid or Minimize. Processed and artificial foods. A. Highly processed foods. Foods that have undergone significant processing often contain high levels of unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives. These foods can create imbalances in the body, leading to inflammation and negatively affecting RL flow. Examples include fast food, packaged snacks, and processed meats. B. Artificial sweeteners. Although they may seem like a healthy alternative to sugar, artificial sweeteners can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, which can impact emotional and mental well-being and interfere with RL flow. Opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup instead. C. Refined sugars. Consuming excessive amounts of refined sugars, such as those found in soda, candy, and baked goods, can lead to blood sugar imbalances and inflammation, negatively affecting RL flow. Focus on natural sugar sources like fruits and complex carbohydrates for a more balanced energy intake. D. Trans fats. Found in many processed and fried foods, trans fats can contribute to inflammation and other health problems, disrupting the balance of RL flow. Aim to consume healthy fats from sources like avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. E. Artificial preservatives and additives. Chemical additives found in many processed foods can cause imbalances in the body, potentially disrupting RL flow. Choose fresh, whole foods whenever possible to avoid exposure to these substances. F. High-sodium foods. Consuming excessive amounts of sodium, commonly found in processed and fast foods, can lead to imbalances in the body, such as high blood pressure and fluid retention, which can negatively impact RL flow. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods and season with herbs and spices instead of relying on salt for flavor. By avoiding or minimizing the consumption of processed and artificial foods, you can help maintain a balanced RL flow and support your overall health and well-being. Opting for whole, nutrient-dense foods not only nourishes your body, but also promotes emotional and mental balance, which is essential for a harmonious RL flow. Foods that block or disrupt RL flow. A. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to inflammation, liver damage, and impaired cognitive function, which can negatively impact RL flow. Moderate alcohol intake or choosing alcohol-free alternatives can help maintain a balanced flow. B. Caffeine. While moderate caffeine intake may have some health benefits, excessive consumption can lead to nervousness, anxiety, and sleep disturbances, disrupting the balance of RL flow. Consider reducing caffeine intake or switching to herbal teas or decaffeinated beverages. C. Saturated fats. High levels of saturated fats found in fatty cuts of meat, full-fat dairy products, and some processed foods can contribute to inflammation and cardiovascular issues, hindering RL flow. Focus on consuming healthier fats from plant-based sources like avocados, nuts, and seeds. D. Processed meats. Processed meats such as hot dogs, sausages, and deli meats often contain high levels of sodium, preservatives, and additives that can disrupt RL flow. Choose lean, unprocessed protein sources like fish, poultry, or plant-based options like beans and legumes. E. Excessively spicy or greasy foods. While some spices have health benefits, overconsumption of spicy or greasy foods can lead to gastrointestinal issues and inflammation, potentially disrupting RL flow. Opt for balanced, wholesome meals with moderate amounts of spices and healthy fats. F. Foods that trigger personal sensitivities or allergies. Individual food sensitivities or allergies can cause inflammation and other negative reactions in the body, impeding RL flow. Identify and avoid foods that cause adverse reactions and focus on consuming a diverse, nutrient-rich diet. By avoiding or minimizing the consumption of foods that block or disrupt RL flow, you can support your overall health and well-being. A balanced, nutrient-dense diet tailored to your individual needs and preferences can help promote harmony in your body and mind, optimizing RL flow and enhancing your quality of life. Foods that contribute to inflammation and imbalance. A. Sugar. Excessive sugar consumption can lead to inflammation, weight gain, and increased risk of chronic diseases. Limit added sugars in your diet by choosing natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or fruit. B. Refined carbohydrates. White bread, pasta, and rice are examples of refined carbohydrates that can cause blood sugar spikes and contribute to inflammation. Opt for whole grain options like whole wheat bread, brown rice, and quinoa to maintain a balanced RL flow. C. Trans fats. Found in some processed and fried foods, trans fats are known to increase inflammation and negatively impact heart health. Focus on consuming healthier fats from plant-based sources and lean proteins. D. Artificial additives and preservatives. Chemicals used in food processing can cause inflammation and disrupt the balance of RL flow. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible, and read ingredient labels carefully. E. Omega-6 fatty acids. While omega-6 fatty acids are essential for health, consuming them in excess can contribute to inflammation. Aim for a balanced ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids by incorporating more omega-3-rich foods like fatty fish, flax seeds, and chia seeds into your diet. F. Dairy. Some individuals are sensitive to lactose or casein found in dairy products, which can cause inflammation and digestive issues. If you suspect a dairy sensitivity, try reducing or eliminating dairy from your diet and choose plant-based alternatives like almond or soy milk. By avoiding or minimizing the consumption of foods that contribute to inflammation and imbalance, you can support a balanced RL flow and promote overall health and well-being. Emphasize nutrient-dense, whole foods that nourish your body and mind, and tailor your diet to your individual needs and preferences for optimal results.